Right. Welcome back to the Coffee Shop OOP series. We have already covered encapsulation, abstraction, and inheritance. So today we will explore the fourth and the final pillar, polymorphism, the power behind interchangeable behavior. So, first of all, what is polymorphism? Polymorphism means different objects can be treated through the same interface or base types. In other words, you write a code against a common type and the behavior depends the actual implementation. It allows code to be open for extension but closed for modification. Uh, and when we start to talk about that, and you've probably already seen that before, but you can see I'm talking exactly like the behavior of the strategy pattern. But if you're thinking about like, uh, oh, this looks like strategy, that is exactly like strategy. But strategy is a named design pattern. So let's go on here. So let's see this analogy. Think of a credit card terminal. Whether you insert Visa, MasterCard, or Amex, it still works. The logic behind each card is different, but the interface, the slot, is the same. So let's talk about our coffee shop problem. Uh, we have this polymorphisms sample here, and I have two kind of sample, but we will dive here. So let's say we want to apply different type of promotions to a product, a percentage discount or a fixed discount, or maybe loyalty rules in the future. Instead of blocks of if else, we use polymorphisms to delegate this behavior. Polymorphisms. So first of all, we will be talking about polymorphisms via inheritance. So here we have a promotion. So this promotion is a base class. It's abstract. We can build this class. We can do anything with that. So we have this apply when we can apply some discount, and we are extending that class with a percentage promotion. And in this percentage promotion, we need to apply a percentual, and we'll have this discount, or we can have this fixed discount. And here is a percentage or is a value for of this discount. And if we use this sample here, we can check the sample. We have a base price from $20, and here we can have only 10% or $5. Doesn't matter. If I run this right now, I'll have this. So, the first of all, let's talk about this polymorphisms inheritance. So we have this percentage promotional final price is $18 with 10%, or a fixed discount promotion with final price with $15 with $5 percent here. All right, and then we have the second option. Let's close here, and or we can do this by interface. So we are creating here a discount strategy, and you can see the name strategy because we only want to apply. So we are building this strategy, and we can have no discount at all with the same price, or a loyalty discount that we can have always. If you are loyal to the company, you have 15% every time. So we have this. So if I use this uh, polymorphism sample with interface, We can check here. Oops, I did something wrong. Sorry. Tree. So we have here interface 17 because we have this base price and we are applying to the loyalty discount 15%. And that's it. This polymorphism via composition and it gives you more flexibility. So when to use each inheritance, there's a shared structure plus stable hierarchy and interface. You want swappable logic, more flexibility, which in, with interface, you are not tied to class hierarchy. You're just inject the behavior. So this is a strategy pattern. It sounds like I said before, it sounds like strategy. That's because it is. Strategy is a design pattern that applies polymorphisms to swap algorithms or behaviors at runtime. Whether you use an abstract class or interface, the pattern is the same. Define a contract, inject behavior, and delegate execution. So, a recap, polymorphisms is not just a concept, it is the engine behind many patterns. It makes your code extensible, testable, and adapted to change. It's not either inheritance, is not either inheritance or interface. Both are tools. Choose based on structure, flexibility, and design constraints. So this wrap up the four pillars of OOP. Next, we move to the principles, the principal patterns, and I think the next one will be singleton. And how about that? Do you use polymorphisms with the more with interface or hierarchies? And why? Drop your thought below and watch the full playlist, read the blog, and check the GitHub link below. And see you next time, guys.